sail through it just fine? You may. But there's a lot of 20 and 30-year-olds who get COVID that get myocarditis or some other significant health problem.
Both Dr. Yeletti and CDC officials say the risk of getting myocarditis following a vaccine is extremely rare. Only 323 cases have been confirmed out of millions of Americans taking the shot. We will keep monitoring these cases, though, and bring you any updates that we learn of.
Well, today, Indianapolis city and police leaders showing support for the Sikh community in the wake of a mass shooting. They held a public safety walk. You're looking at it. This was today at the temple on the city's west side. Mayor Joe Hogsett and Chief Randall Taylor hold these walks every month. We've been showing them to you, and it's meant to build trust between residents and more community between everyone, the police and those they serve. They chose this neighborhood for today's walk because the Sikh community was affected by April's mass shooting at the FedEx facility. Mayor Hogsett says his goal is to make every citizen of our city safe, and he needs the community's help to do that.
Have all the answers. I don't have all the answers, but I'll tell you what, as a community, if we all come together as elected leaders and as community members and as neighborhood advocates, there's a lot more answers out there, and we need to be listening to them.
Chief Taylor says he and other IMPD leaders will hold more events with the Sikh community this weekend. That includes worshiping with them on Sunday. Our Courtney Crown will have much more on those efforts. Don't miss that coming up tonight at 10.
Also today, the Marion County prosecutor is working to help families impacted by gun violence. He's leading community conversations to reduce those impacts for the future. Fox 59's Courtney Spinelli was at the first discussion today and brings us this.
I just think it's important that we keep having these conversations about what it looks like, the toll that it takes.
Deandra Dykes knows firsthand the pain gun violence can bring. A shooting paralyzed her son. It led to create Purpose for My Pain, which works to help family members of gun violence victims.
For me, in the aftermath of Dre's shooting, it was important to be vocal because we did not hear about non-fatals. We really didn't hear about innocent people being shot enough.
Today, she joined with Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears and others to talk about how everyone can step up to make a change to slow the growing level of violence in Indianapolis.
If we really want to make a difference in violent crime, the solution is not going to come overnight.
In the first 6 months of 2021, there have been more than 315 non-fatal shootings. That's only about 100 less than the total in 2019 and 2020 combined. Community members who attended today expressed the need for more to be done to stop crimes before they happen.
I want to make sure that we're being proactive about the policies and the programs that we're putting in place, because I don't want to talk about after they've been shot. Is the community a village? What are we doing in our community so that our young people are being served?
Some community members pointed at IMPD as part of the problem, pointing to trust issues and saying there needs to be more of a presence.
These are their feelings, these are their perceptions, and we have a responsibility to try to fix that, to build those bridges, to close those gaps.
The big message from today's discussion: to fix any of this, everyone will have to work together to help. Reporting in Indianapolis, Courtney Spinelli, Fox 59 News.
During that meeting, Prosecutor Mears says he's trying to use a grand jury in more cases. He's also trying to improve outreach to families affected by gun violence. Tonight's second meeting will start in just about 30 minutes.